So, hello everybody, welcome to Football Mania. Bengaluru 4, Kerala Blasters 2. So, guys, take it away. We can go with Alan first. Alan, what do you think about the lineups?
Lineups really interesting. They put Prashant in the playing 11. It's like a tactical decision, to be honest. It's to cover that really fast wingers and everything, including I think I forgot his name, Ashik. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's meant to cover that Ashik Kurnia. Yeah. It's pretty interesting. We actually played with a 4-4-2 formation, to be honest. It's our first time ever playing 4-4-2 formation, and because we don't have Costa, we had to put Lal Rotara. Lal Rotara. That's what if expected. Then Jigson Singh, yeah, interesting. Jigson Singh was interesting for me, and Gary Hooper. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah. So, Milton,
Others are all expected
yeah.
signings for me.
What about you, Milton?
There were people. I mean, Beke was injured for the during his trainings, so that was kind of expected. Like Pratik would take his place, but I thought they would go for a three at the back, but that didn't happen. So that was a good thing. And yeah, and rest the team was almost organized. I mean, considering how the back line held, like for the offside traps, it was pretty well organized. And moreover, Dima's addition, like for the entire game, that was a game changer for me.
I mean, Aaron, you guys started the game pretty well. You opened the scoring with Rahul, but you were chasing the game after that. So, what happened? What did you think about that?
Rahul started with actually it was a failed counter attack from BFC, which and Hooper actually utilized that chance and ran, gave an assist to Rahul KP, and it was a good goal from Rahul and great interception made by Cooper too. But that second goal which came, it was actually a positional related scenario. No, second goal came from an error, right? Yeah, it came from a clearance error from Lalu Atara, which is actually
Yeah.
pretty sad because I think he looks rusted and everything. He looks rusty to me, according to me. I think it's because Costa's missing. He's like very lacking that covering from that back from the center back. So putting Lalruatara there was like a forced decision for us. And that error came from the second goal. Yeah.
I mean, Milton,
The
people call
third
you.
and
Yeah, sorry. Aaron, you were saying?
no problem.
All right. I mean, Milton, people like call you set piece FC. Today you had 18 shots, 7 on target, 4 from open play, goals. What do you think about that?
This is how Bangalore looks if they don't rely too much on set pieces.
Yeah.
That's for sure. I mean, uh, Clayton was a main man here. I mean, he did a fabulous job, creating all the chances. And of course, Chetri was trying his best. And Ob said, "Oh my God, he's just used to the team right now." Eventually, even we can see him start the score. I mean, he did score, but at the end of the day, it was given to Patulu because it was his final touch. But yeah, I mean, the team is getting back together, so that's good to see.
I mean, Aaron, I mean, you guys are still to find your win, right? In this season.
We never found a win yet.
Yeah. So, so I mean, you're playing next against East Bengal. So you think that will be the game? Even they haven't found a win, right?
All games we need to consider every game as difficult.
Yeah.
We have to consider every game as difficult for us. So maybe a win or lose, but we are expecting something great. We are expecting progress. I'm expecting progress more than results.
Okay.
I'm expecting individual progress. I'm experiencing that that piece by piece of progression in every part of it, whether it is defense, midfield, and the attacking third. I'm looking for that progression in my team.
I mean, yeah, like this was a discussion on the Twitter going on. Like, yeah, you guys are losing games, but the style of play he wants to implement will take time. So would you agree with that?
Yeah, the style. That's yeah. We need time. We need to give them time. We need to give them that amount of freedom for them
Yeah.
because they are not yet set. They already play like 4 preseason matches, 5 normal matches, and they have to play plus 5. I think for 4 post matches actually, which is actually difficult because consistency is not much involved in there, and I feel like we need more matches. We need more time. We need to give them time. As a fan of KBSC, I tell to every other fan in Twitter to give them some time. Give them some time. It'll always happen. The time it could either be years, it could be either be months. It would take time. Look what happened to our last season, Elco's scenario. What actually happened was the goal scoring chance and winning chances came after the win against Hyderabad 5-2. And that's when our team started to become set up, and we are starting to become more attacking minded, and our players started to improve. Our players are getting into that system, so we need to understand. We need to actually fans need to understand that actually, to be honest, time
Right.
is a factor, main
Hmm.
factor in this case.
I mean, Milton, then what about you guys? I mean, 5 games into the season, you are sitting fourth in the table. I think you have been undefeated for like last 4 games. You have drawn three and I think won two. Last 5 games, sorry.
Yes, we are still unbeaten. We are still unbeaten this season. So yeah, I mean, we did tie a lot of games. It was a close one though. I mean, I wouldn't. I mean, yeah, it was indeed a tie. But if we had more time, probably perhaps we could have, get a win as well.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's football, so we know it. That's a high possibility of getting a tie. But it's good to know that we are still unbeaten.
No,
And
I
yeah,
think you guys lost to 80K 3-1.
that was for the previous season, right? I'm talking about this season. We are still unbeaten.
Oh, that was previous season. Oh, all right. That was my bad.
We haven't played 80K yet,
Yeah.
so it's
Oh,
gonna be just after
three.
Christmas,
Yeah.
so before it, I suppose. 21st, I suppose. Yeah.
Yeah. So you're optimistic going in the second half of the season? I mean, you guys have played five.
Sorry.
You guys are optimistic going into the second half of the season?
By the looks of it, yeah. I mean, we are doing a pretty good job. We almost stopped relying on set pieces right now. I mean, still, yeah, there is a slight reliance on the set piece, but yeah, I mean, the team looks pretty good, pretty organized. The chemistry has built up. So yeah, let's hope this continues.
So, okay, that will be it. Thank you so much, guys, for doing this. Hope to see you again after the game. Okay. Thanks, guys.